Hello, this is Colin and in this video I want to show you how to drive traffic to your lead magnet page or your landing page. So we're in the last step of the process of building an email list. I've created a playlist on YouTube where you can watch all the previous videos. This is the last video and this is step number 8. So now we've created our landing page. So now we've got to drive traffic to our landing page or lead capture page. There are different ways of driving traffic, and yes, 10 of them. One is blogging. That is when you add your Aweber opt-in form on your website. Or somewhere, or you write an article, and in the article you place a link to your lead capture page. If you add the Aweber opt-in form, then obviously it will not go to the landing page first, but you can create another opt-in form and tell them they add your mail and email or your name and email, and you'll receive a free ebook on how to be successful in Aweber. And then as soon as they add the details to that form, then they'll go onto your list and they'll get the download link from there automatically in the same manner. The other way is paid traffic. Paid advertising is if you go to other blogs and ask the blog owners to place banners for you to your landing page. You'll have to pay them, say, per month or per click that goes to your landing page. Then there's guest blogging. That is when you ask someone else if you can write an article for them, and in the article you place your link to your landing page. Podcast interviews, social media like Facebook and Twitter, create posts there with your link. Webinars, YouTube videos, create a video, how-to videos, and place your link in the description. Push notifications, public speaking, direct outreach. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to get eyes on your lead capture page with traffic exchanges. Traffic exchanges are great for online marketing, not necessarily for other products. So in our case, we in the online marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing niche. So traffic exchanges work great for that. And in this case, I'm going to show you hashing ad space. Hashing ad space has been around since the beginning of 2019. It's been going very strong. It's been created by Luke Millard. I'll just log in here. It's built different to other traffic exchanges in the sense that other traffic exchanges you earn credits, and then those credits you can exchange for views like easy hits for you. And I also recommend that to place your link there. But you get paid in a semi, and what you get when you get paid in the semi, you can either withdraw it to your Waves exchange, or you can use your semi to buy traffic to your website or your lead capture page. This is a logging ad. I've had great success with my first logging ad on Tuesday. If you buy a login ad, it's about $120 of a semi. Then you'll get about 14,000 views on your lead capture page. I got about 780 opt-ins that day. So I highly recommend the login ad, because everybody that logs into this website, Hashing Ad Space, will see your lead capture page. So then I'll just go to dashboard. And then you go to advertising products, and there's a different advertising products here. They've got the ad minter, they've got the banner advertising, that's a banner. Then you've got free view to earn advertising purchase. then login ad. The login ad I just explained. The ad minter ad, that is people that have staked a semi. Because a semi is a cryptocurrency, so you can stake it like other cryptocurrencies. And everybody that has staked a semi, so they've really spent money, they may watch your ad. So the quality of the views on the ad minter advertising is great because it's people that have got money. Banner ads are just the regular banner ads here. Then you got free view to earn. The free view to earn is also good. They've got premier advertising and regular advertising. Any free member may watch up to 50 ads per day. So the customers there not necessarily have got money to buy your products, but it's also people that are looking for ways to make money online. So they will also opt into your page, especially if it's a free offer. But the quality of these clients might not be that great, because if you follow up with them and you want them to buy your other affiliate products, they might not be able to have money to buy it. What I've done is if I go to previous advertising, I'm not going to set up an ad right now, but when you set up your ad, then you're going to just go to our lead capture page. Then all you do is you take your link here. In my case, it's Brazendale at weeksites.com, free Aweber ebook, and you just take that complete URL, you go back, and then okay, let me just go to admin to advertising, and I can show you. Oh, my dogs are barking. Sorry about that. Okay, first of all, you've got to buy. Yeah, I can't go through because I've got to buy advertising first, and then I go to the setup page. And on the setup page, you just give a description and the link of your landing page. So let me go to what I've advertised here's a setup. So yeah, you just give the name. In this case, also destination. Also there, I'll put in my destination URL and how many hits I want to that, and then it will be approved. And after it's been approved, then you'll start getting hits to your or views to your landing page. And hopefully you'll start getting opt-ins. If you don't get opt-ins, say after a day or two, then you can tweak your landing page, because maybe there's something else, say the wording, because it's all about the wording. This wording here, I think, is not that striking, although they recommend it with their landing page. Maybe you can put something else in there, but you've got to test and see, and you'll see immediately if you start getting opt-ins or not. So yes, that is one way that I highly recommend you market or promote your page. And then the other one that I like, obviously, is making YouTube videos and putting your link in the description. That is a great way to get eyeballs on this page. And so that way you'll start collecting names and emails, and you need to be creative then you can build out your Aweber series with more emails, because you need to keep contact. You mustn't, like I've done in the past, wait for 6 months before you email. We've got one customer in here now, and but you need to go to your campaign and add more emails so that they can get emails ideally every day. But if you don't have that many emails written, every second day or so. Some private label right websites, like the one I referred to you to get that ebook, they do sell emails as well, so you can do that as well. Or you can get ideas from other companies where you've registered in the past and see what emails they send you, and then promote or use those emails to promote your product. If you're in hashing ad space like myself, and I'm promoting this now a lot to, I'm directing mainly this whole playlist of how to build an email list to my hashing ad space and YouTube customers or clients or friends. is that you need use this to promote hashing ad space, for instance. Tell your mail list how good it is and what you can benefit and how they can use hashing ad space to the maximum. So yes, if you've got any questions, please comment below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the playlist on how to create a list. And I hope you build a great list and use Aweber, which I highly recommend. If you've got any questions, please contact me. I'll put my email and contact details below. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.